Hey everyone! Today we're touring a room at Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya. Located 60 minutes south of the Cancun International Airport, this all-inclusive, adults-only resort has 434 suites in the heart of the Riviera Maya. It's set on a beautiful beach, known for its population of wild sea turtles, and has lush tropical vegetation throughout the property. Let's take a look at where we stayed. Room 2105. A romance master suite oceanfront. You'll enter the suite into the living area. Here you'll find your light switches and your do not disturb button for when you want some privacy. Beside the front door is a two-piece bathroom. It has elegant tiled accents and modern fixtures. Next to this is your incredible secret box. Order room service and have it delivered without having to answer the door. There's a cozy dining set where you'll find your complimentary Secrets tote bag. Each area in the suite has its own thermostat for your comfort. And you'll find a large, full-length mirror for those last-minute looks. Next up is the spacious living room. There's beautiful modern Mexican art above your sectional sofa. It has lots of plush pillows embroidered with Mayan gold accents. There's also a chair and large coffee table that holds your complimentary welcome fruit plate, as well as your spa, room service menu, and TV remote, with a cordless phone in arm's reach. Above is your ceiling fan for the ultimate comfort. Across from here is your entertainment area. The 42-inch flat-screen TV frames the area, which comes with complimentary champagne and glasses. And for premium guests, there's a variety of snacks, cocktail garnish, and full bottles of premium spirits, including gin, rum, vodka, Baileys, and amaretto. The tablet is used to order room service, get resort information, spa services, excursions, and more. Plus, it's portable, so browse anywhere. The desk area has both a phone and ample lighting. And your plush ottoman seating is tucked underneath. Beside this is additional hidden storage with shelving. Up next is your bar area. Here you'll find your ice bucket, premium snacks, and mini bottles of tequila, rum, and whiskey that are restocked daily, plus your various glassware and handy Nespresso coffee machine. Underneath is more storage and your mini fridge. It holds various soft drinks, beer, fruit juice, and water that are restocked daily. Next up is your large bedroom. There's sliding privacy doors on both the left and right of the area, and a thermostat for your comfort. The luxurious king-size bed has soft fabrics, bright accent colors, and moody backlights. The bold modern light fixtures bring the look together, and the adjustable bedside lighting is perfect for all your late night or early morning needs. The bedside table holds your phone, maid card, TV remotes, paper, and pen. The smaller remote controls your hidden television that pops up from the base of your bed and can be put away with the touch of a button. And there's storage and a Bible underneath. The other bedside table holds your fan controls, outlets, alarm clock with iPhone dock, and conservation card. The bedroom also has locally inspired lounge and seating areas, plus drying racks for towels and swimwear. Above is your ceiling fan for the ultimate comfort. Beside this is your open concept storage area. The plush ottoman is in the center, dividing your his and hers wardrobes. On the left, you'll find various hangers, an iron and ironing board, scale, shelving storage, and your safe. This safe fit our 13-inch laptop with plenty of room to spare. And underneath here, you'll find additional drawers for storage. On the right is your second wardrobe, where you'll find hangers, 2 soft robes, matching slippers, and a large umbrella. There are also extra drawers for storage here. Up next, the bathroom area. Your tiled whirlpool is center stage with beautiful lighting and a romantic design. Both your towels and bubble bath are in arm's reach of the tub, which also has sleek fixtures and multiple jets. Beside this is the vanity area. There's an adjustable lighted magnifying mirror and inset shelving on both sides for storage. On the counter, you'll find soap, tissues, electrical outlets, a bottle opener, double basin sinks, glasses, and your complimentary premium amenities, including shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, shaving cream, and more. It also holds incense and matches. The switches here control your blackout curtains, which are behind your double mirrors. And you can raise the shade to let all the natural light in. Underneath the counter are your extra towels, as well as your hair dryer. Across the room to the right, you'll find your second toilet, as well as a phone. And to your left is your shower. It has a handheld shower head, a large bench area, his and hers rainfall shower heads, modern fixtures, and complimentary amenities of body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Plus a handy retractable clothesline. Now onto one of the best parts of the room, the terrace with plunge pool. The area is beautifully furnished with a seated dining area and a plush lounging spot with lots of colorful pillows. There's also 2 fully cushioned lounge chairs with pillows and your own personal floats. Use them to float around in your spacious swim-out plunge pool. We hope you enjoyed our room tour here at Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya Resort and Spa. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell us what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more room tours and vacation inspiration. Thanks for watching, guys!